the only one left. Right. So you store them on top of each other.
You got the luxury and the compact.
Horsetail Waterfall in Oregon, I think that's what this is called, right?
It is Horsetail Falls,
Yay.
Columbia River Gorge, National Scenic Area, and the only reason I know this is because I'm reading the sign.
Okay, so it's not Horse's Ass Falls.
No.
Okay.
Beautiful. You're very welcome. I love you guys, by the way. Yep, we're good. Thank you.
Yakima Falls, I think it's called.
Yes, which is the Yakima word for most beautiful.
It's the most beautiful falls. Yakima.
Berry. Its berries look like little raspberries, but they're much sweeter. They're good for uterine health. It's the backup that I'm worried about. It's a long way down. I don't want to go.
That is the height. Look, there's Bigfoot.
Can't remember if it was built late 1800s or early 1900s, but it was the original rest stop for weary travelers along the highway.
It's a teeny, teeny. Can't tell if that's a freighter or... Can't tell if that's a freighter.
Oh, down there? No, that's a skip.
Oh, okay. I couldn't tell if it was blurry or not.
Perfect.
Hi.
Where it's like one of the quick flashes of the places that supposed to be driving by. Yeah,
This is one of them.
Alright. Sometimes it's fun to come to these places and wonder how many people's pictures you're in the background of.
Yeah.